Welcome to Assembly. I'm going to demo our Challenges feature.
To create a challenge, make sure you have challenges enabled in your admin dashboard. Please note that only admins can create and manage challenges. Once challenges are enabled, go to your Challenges page and click Create a Challenge. Add a title and a description to your challenge. You can use your description to give your participants instructions on how to complete the challenge. You can add links as well for them to reference while they're viewing the challenge. Set how much you want the reward for completing the challenge to be. Each time you approve a challenge claim, the participant will receive that amount deposited into their earned balance automatically. Next, determine how many times the challenge can be claimed. The total limit is how many total times the challenge can be claimed. Unlimited is a great option if you want all the participants to be able to claim the challenge. Limited is great if you want to run a contest or a competition where only a select number of people can claim the challenge. For example, if you want to run a contest as a challenge, you can set the limit to be 3 total times. All the participants can submit a claim, but once you approve 3 claims, the challenge will end. The individual participant limit is how many times each participant can submit a claim. In this contest example, if you want each participant to only submit 1 entry to the contest, keep the individual limit at 1. But if you want participants to be able to submit multiple claims to a challenge, you can increase this number.
Next, configure what kind of proof you want your participants to submit for the challenge. They can submit a written description as well as upload files to show that they completed the challenge. You can customize the text used to instruct them during their proof submission process. Next, you can customize your challenge post by uploading any image of your choosing. This image will be visible to everyone involved with the challenge as part of the challenge post. You can also customize the claim button shown on the post. If you want to limit interaction with the challenge post itself, you can choose to disable replies and/or reactions on the post. Once you are happy with your challenge settings, the final step is to determine who you want to share the challenge with. By default, all admins will have full visibility into all challenges and can approve or deny any claim. You can also add any individual employee or groups of employees to the challenge. You can determine whether you want them to be a participant and/or an approver. Participants can claim the challenge. Approvers can approve or deny claims. Once you have all your settings configured, you can choose whether to launch the challenge right away or save and queue it up for later. If you save and launch later, the queued challenge will appear in the Challenge tab only for admins. You can edit the challenge at any time, and when you are ready to launch, simply click Launch. When the challenge is launched, all participants will receive an in-app and mobile or email notification if enabled. They will also see the challenge card appear on their challenges page. As a participant, when a challenge is launched, you can view the challenge from the notification by opening it in the drawer and also directly from the challenges page. When you are ready to claim the challenge, click the Claim button and follow the instructions to submit your claim. If text and file upload are required, you must complete both in order to submit your claim. Once your claim is submitted, you can see the status of it at the top of your challenges page in the Pending tab. If approved, you will receive a notification that your claim has been approved, and you will automatically receive the points into your earned balance.
For any admin or approver, all claims will appear in the claims table. To view the proof before approving or denying the challenge claim, click View Proof. From here, you can directly approve or deny the claim. When you approve or deny a claim, the participant will be notified and the claim will be moved to the Approved or Denied section.
You can also get an at-a-glance view of the statistics of the challenge by clicking View Challenge Insights. From here, you can see all pending claims, the list of every participant who has already claimed the challenge, and the list of unclaimed participants. You can individually remind each participant, or you can remind them all. This will notify them and remind them to complete the challenge.
There is no way to reverse the approval denial right now, but when a claim is denied, the participant can resubmit their claim so long as the challenge is opened. If the claim is approved, then the participant will automatically receive the reward amount deposited into their earned balance.
You can end the challenge at any time.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy our challenges feature.